Welcome. How to change fuel pump. If you are experiencing the following: difficulty starting, engine stalling, reduced fuel efficiency, engine misfires, loss of power, check engine light always on, low fuel pressure, difficulty accelerating, engine heating or overheating, then it is time to change your fuel pump. Changing your fuel pump is very easy. It is not difficult. It is very easy as ABCD. Just buy your fuel pump online. When buying your fuel pump, make sure the code matches the one you are buying, or tell them the type of your car, the year, and then the brand. They are going to give you the correct fuel pump. This one, if you are fixing the Daewoo Matiz, if you buy the new one, you see this black seal on the new one, you have to remove it. If you don't remove it, it is not going to fit it. So after removing everything, after removing the old one, you have to, I tried to put everything, but it was not going. Then I realized that I had to remove the seal. You see, it was not going. It fitted all right, but I could not type in the screw, so I needed to remove the seal. Now that I'm removing the seal, after removing the seal, then it fitted in perfectly. So changing your fuel pump is very easy as ABCD. You can do it by yourself. After everything, double check that every bolt, every nut, every socket that you disconnect, make sure you have put it back at the right place. Then the old one, you can keep it for some time. Then if it is no more needed, you can throw it away. Thank you for watching Safubafus TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.